Hey everyone, welcome to today's Kotlin tutorial. So in this video, we will be talking about the any type in Kotlin. Okay, so what exactly is the any type? So in Kotlin, any is the supertype of all non-nullable types. It is like saying, I don't care what kind of data you throw at me, I can handle it. So whether it is a string, a number, or even a Boolean value, the any type can store it all. So let's see this through an example. So I'm going to create a function here and I will define some variables with any type. So let's see, I'm going to give it assign a value to this any type variable. So I'll say hello Kotlin and I'm going to print this value. Okay, so I will print this and now I'm going to assign a different data type value to the same any type variable here. So I'm going to assign this an integer value and I'm going to print this value as well. Okay, so now I'm going to assign a Boolean type value here. So I will print this value as well. So let's run this. Okay, so the value is printed in the console. So as you can see, the same variable value is holding a string value, an integer, and then a Boolean value. So this makes any really flexible when you don't know exactly what type of data you will be dealing with. So when should we use it? So you use any when you want to handle multiple types of data in a single variable. For example, it is useful in APIs where you might not know in advance what kind of data you will receive. So why it is so powerful? So the power of any comes from its versatility. So instead of creating multiple variables for different data types, you can use just one variable. However, always remember to check the type before performing operations. And you can check this using the is keyword. So this ensures that your program behaves correctly. So let's see this through an example. So for that, whenever you have to use the value of this any variable, so you first check the type of this variable. Okay, so and then you can um, proceed with the other functionality. So here I can print the value here. That's all for today. Now you know what any is, when to use it, and why it is so powerful. So see you in the next video.